Hello, my name is Wendy Lincoln. I am the host and co-producer of the cooking show Hot Kitchen, a cooking show that my husband and I make to teach people how to make romantic dinners for two, complete with an appetizer or dessert course. These chocolate tartlets were designed to go in a Valentine's themed episode because nothing says love like chocolate cream. I was inspired to make these chocolate tartlets by the beautiful pictures of chocolate cream pies and chocolate tarts that I kept seeing everywhere, and took it as a cue that it was time to make my own and share it with the world. The chocolate tartlet recipe is a success because it breaks down what some people would consider to be a challenging dessert into three doable components: crust, filling, and garnish. I really like the crust. It's a really simple blend of flour, ground oats, butter, and brown sugar, and you just press it into a muffin tin. The filling is a success because it's a no-fail pastry cream. It's stabilized with cornstarch and egg yolk, so it'll be nice and thick. And it's really easy to make. It comes out with no lumps, even without running it through a sieve. Another great feature about the chocolate cream filling is it's easily tweaked to one's own tastes. I call for chocolate cream liqueur in the recipe, but a creative chef could substitute Kahlua, Chambord, or Frangelico and take it in a whole different direction. Now, the meringue garnish is also really nice because it uses the egg whites from the eggs that you use in the chocolate custard. It's easy to either pipe from a bag, or you can shape it with low-tech tools like spoons and forks. Thank you so much for choosing my chocolate tartlets to be a semi-finalist in the Perfect 3 recipe contest. I think you'll agree that they're pretty awesome.